So for today's production, I'll be teaching you how to make hand wash. Now, for this hand wash, there's a little trick to this hand wash, and I want you to pay close attention to what I'll be teaching you. This hand wash is a transparent hand wash, and we need 3 chemicals for this hand wash. We need our SLS, we need our diyxapon, and we need our salt. Now, this is our SLS. If you've gone through your guide, I said before you start producing, you need to make preparations. So now I've soaked the SLS inside water for the past 1 hour. So it's been soaked inside water. So if you can see very well, it's already well dissolved inside water because I soaked it for like an hour. Now this is my diyxapon that I'll be using, and this diyxapon is 125 grams. So I'll be adding the diyxapon inside the soap. Now for our hand wash, we need something very mild, very soothing and gentle on the skin. And so that's why we'll just be making use of these 3 chemicals. There are also chemicals we can add like aloe vera, like glycerin, to make it more unique. So this is it. And you see now, it's beginning to form and it's beginning to take shape now. So you continue mixing, mix for 15 minutes. We are going to add our salt little by little. Usually for this salt, we don't really need much. But as you are pouring the salt inside, please, I don't want you to add too much salt so that you don't, at the end of the day, don't tell me, oh, you know, my liquid soap is not very watery. No, because too much salt can make it watery. So I'm adding salt now. I'm adding like 10 grams into it. I've added the salt. Can you see? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Don't worry, when you do your own, you understand. Can you see it now? So it's not very thick. I want to add our color. But before we add our color, I want to use strawberry as the fragrance. This is strawberry. So we'll do a little mixing here. Just need like, can you see the cover of the bottle? Just a little. Can you see? Can you see it? So I'm not pouring it directly, I'm pouring it inside the plastic. So the plastic. So I'll just take little out of the soap and I'll mix it together. Mix it very well. Can you see? I'm mixing the color and the fragrance with the soap. I just took little. I just scooped little out of the soap to mix my fragrance. Yes, the reason why I'm doing this is because there are some fragrances that can loosen the strength of your soap, or should I say it can loosen the consistency of your soap. So that's why when you add little fragrance to, you see fragrances like lemon, when you add it directly to liquid soap, it just make liquid soap watery. But when you do it like this method, you first of all scoop little liquid soap out into a small bowl, add your fragrance, then you pour back you pour back. So you pour back into the soap. That's the way I'm pouring now. So I've poured all the fragrance inside. So you continue mixing. If you read your manual, you see that salt is also a preservative. So for this one, I'm not using any other preservative because salt also acts as a preservative. Yes. Can you see? You can choose to add glycerin and choose not to. It's your choice. But for me, I'm leaving it like this. So my hand wash is ready. So we have our transparent hand wash. We are going to leave it and allow it to sit so the foam goes down and you can see very well. This is transparent hand wash. So if you want to add color, you can add color to your own. But like this is transparent. You might not even use color. But if you still want color, just take a little color, put it in a separate bowl, add little water, mix it well to make sure it dissolves well. Then start adding it little by little into the soap so that it will dissolve well. There won't be sediments of any kind. So we've come to the end of this production for hand wash. Thank you.